hata sijafunga zip. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have already showered, I've done everything. I'm just getting ready to go for a shoot at K1 with my sister. So yeah, I want to do my makeup real quick. This is an intro as well. Welcome, my name is Hanan. If you're new to this channel, sorry, my grandma is in the background. If you're new to this channel, subscribe and welcome. And if you're old, thank you. Thank you so much for always coming back and supporting your girl. I'm gonna take you with me to K1 and then you see like how the bits of the shoots will be. And it's a new photographer. I'm very excited. I'm very excited. Anyway, I'm excited, guys. If you can't see it, it is what it is. Hey guys, let me show you my outfit real quick because I am running late. I am actually very late, guys. Yeah, so denim on denim, thrifted. This is also thrifted. I got it from Nalo. And look at my ass, baby. Yeah, I really have to go. Bye. Hi, we are back home and yeah, we just want to have lunch and call it a very successful day. Am I right? Okay, bye. got my first PR package. I'm so proud of myself, honestly. I'm very happy, just happy. Anyway, I really want to make it look good so that I can get more brands. So yeah, you give it your all and you let God like do the rest. So right now I just want to get ready, shower, do my makeup, and then after I finish doing my makeup, a friend of mine is coming here so that we can shoot some reels for the clothes. It's actually a clothes brand. Yeah, so we do the shoot for the clothes on Instagram. Yeah, we're actually just going to do it here, find some good lighting spots, and just go from there. Yeah guys, that's it. Imagine, I'm just so happy. Yeah, I just wanted to share the good news, and I know my lips are chapped, my hair is looking crazy, but it is what it is. I'll just rectify the situation just now, okay? Yeah, so see you in a minute. Cover it up! Standing ovation.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone like stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke, know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone, and that don't cause a thing, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up. I wish you would just focus.
Hi guys, this is the shoot I was doing. These are the photos. Yeah, it turned out great, Here we are with Shamix and me creating magic. But that's it guys. Yeah, that's it for the vlog. Like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for supporting me. I love you all. Bye. See you on the next one.